Office Education. In this video we are going to learn about paragraph tags in HTML. In the last video we have learned headings in HTML. So in this video we are going to learn about paragraphs in HTML. So now let us create another page, paragraph.html. So now here we will include the boilerplate. Oh yes, title will give it as paragraph. Yes, we'll open with the live server. Yes, here you can see heading paragraph. Okay, so the paragraph tag starts with P, so we'll write paragraph inside the P tag. So this is my first paragraph. Okay, we'll save it and we'll see here. Yes, you can see this is my first paragraph. So this is how the paragraph will look in the web page. So in Visual Studio Code we'll use lorem command to include the paragraph of the number of words. For example, if we want 30 words paragraph, we'll type lorem 30. So this will generate the 30 words paragraph for us. So anyway, this is only for testing purpose. So this paragraph don't have any meaning. So here, yes, here we can see the paragraph. So here we can give a heading also for this paragraph, give H1. So my first paragraph, we'll save it, and here we can see my first paragraph, and here you can see the paragraph. We'll give one HR command here. So this HR command, what it will do is it will draw an horizontal line. You can see here. So like this it will draw an horizontal line. We can write second paragraph also. Here we will write it in a H2 tag. So my second paragraph, and for this we'll write lorem 50. So this will generate 50 words for our paragraph. Here also we'll give one HR tag and we'll see in the browser. So this is how the H2 tag will look like, and this is how our paragraph will look like in browser. We can give styling for this also, like background color, text color, which text we want in bold, like that we'll give. So yes, okay, in the next video we'll see how we can make text bold, italic, and how to underline a particular word. All these things we'll see in the next video. Thank you.